Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel, Memorizing Characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. Today, let's talk about 提手旁. 提手旁 radical. Chinese characters with the 提手旁 are often associated with hand or the movement of the hand. "提手旁" are commonly written on the left side of a Chinese character. For example, 拉 pull 接 connect 打 fight 扔 throw 拖 pull 拖拉 When you write 提手旁 first, you can write it like this. Push 推 拥抱 means hug 提 lift 提手旁 hand or the movement of hand related 拉 pull 接 connect 打 fight 扔 throw 拖 pull 推 pull 拥抱 hug 提 lift. Please comment any other words or sentence with the radical 提手旁. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.